Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Earlier today, I was making something similar to this with using a quarter of a page. And if you're going to use just all hearts or any other object, you don't have to do it. So we're going to do one. I'm going to put this back in the center of the page. I'm going to start over. I'm going to take an ellipse. Doesn't matter. Anybody can draw an ellipse. I hit P. It's in the center of the page. I'm going to go to my common shapes. Your version might say basic shapes, and get the heart and just draw a heart. And then I'm going to hit P and put it to the center of the page. It is selected. I'm going to shift select the circle and then hit T like top and put it at the top. Now we can move it just a little bit. So we're going to grab the ellipse while holding down the control button, get it really wherever you want. Now, I'm going to make this thing thicker than a hairline, and because we're going to weld it together and make it like that. This thing would also cut out. We're going to go convert the outline to an object, and I'm going to left click, right click. Now what we need to do is control or alternate C. Well, I should have control D to make a duplicate, and then alternate C, and then move it by hand. And you need something that's going to be divisible by 360. Now, earlier I used 18, but 18 isn't going to work on this one. I want it, let's see what 12 looks like. That doesn't look too bad. So I'm going to delete this one. Instead of using the duplicate, I'm still in the center. I'm going to go up to my Windows Docker's Transform or Transformation, depending on what version you have. 360 divided by 12, it needs 30 of them. I've already got one, so I'm going to go 12 degrees times 29 because I've already got one. And then you can take and you have to remove your circle for this to work, and then just to grab them all and weld it. Now, the good thing about it, this would cut out. If you made it a red hairline, that would actually cut out and look pretty good, and to make that ring. But if you're just doing it to color in, get your Smart Fill tool. We'll use red for hearts and just fill that in. Now, whenever you do a Smart Fill, it makes a new object. So move it out of the way and you can get rid of this. This way, this would not cut out if you were going to print it. If you're going to engrave it, you would make it black. But if we made it that color and we could still see, I just made my first one a little bit bigger. I'm going to use the interactive fill tool and go from one side to the other side and make it yellow just to kind of show it off with the black. Now, because I made the other ones first, it's on top of the order. Pretty cool design. So you need to test. I really like this one better with the more hearts. I made my circle was quite a bit smaller on the first one. Well, not really, but I had a bigger heart. So that's why you need to kind of test it to see what you could get. But the transformation or transform docker can do it so quick instead of control D'ing all the way around 29 times. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.